We are here today to help more Michiganders use technology to grow and succeed.
What I'm hoping to take away from today's event is knowledge about what Google has to offer and different ways to expand our business.
This event is bringing educational resources to different organizations looking to find ways to market themselves online.
This is about having the tool to continually move forward, and I'm so glad that Lansing is at the front of the line.
As an entrepreneur, I definitely need all the resources I can to help me become profitable.
I've had so many people come and say they want to develop and they want to do things here. They want to build buildings and create jobs. Google is providing the resources.
Google just gave iTech a grant.
iTech's Bus is a way to take programs to kids who don't have a computer lab.
I didn't stray far from Michigan. You know, it's home for me. And so it's a real testament that Google chose Lansing as the hub for this because they see the acceleration, the growth that can come from the people here.
What I learned today is that if you're trying to learn skills, whether it be education or jobs, that there's a lot of applications out there that you have to support them.
This is important for my community because I think that the technology industry hasn't really made that staple here in Michigan. So having Google come here is amazing.